Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to create an account on X, formerly known as Twitter. Without wasting any time, let's get into it. First, click on the X icon on your phone. Then click on Create Account. Enter your name, phone number or email address, and date of birth. Click Next. Review your information, agree to the terms of service, and click on Sign Up. Authenticate your account by clicking on Authenticate. Use the arrows to rotate the object to face in the direction of the hand. After completing that step, a code will be sent to your email address for confirmation. Open your email inbox. Click on the email from X, copy the verification code, and return to the X app. Enter the confirmation code and click Next. Create a strong password for security and click Next. Optionally, upload your profile picture or skip for now. Choose a username or pick one suggested by X based on your info. Click Next. Click Continue, and then Allow to grant X access to your contacts. Select 3 category interests to personalize your X experience and click Next. Follow at least one account to get started and click Next. And that's it. You are all done and ready to go. I hope this video helped, and I will see you in the next one.